Drive features, comfort, door opening is possible both from the button on the instrument panel, from the remote control, standard option, and from the door handles. Additional option, the LED lamp additionally illuminates inside and outside near the sliding door. Stylish and ergonomic design, door width adjustment, safety, emergency opening inside and outside. Automatic rollback of the door to the starting position when hitting an obstacle, sensitive strip protection, additional option. Reliability, CROCO drive meets the Automotive International Standards, tested performance, 800,000 cycles, open/close equals cycle. The device is made of quality materials.